Hello everyone, my name is Renata Rensky. I'm a makeup artist and a permanent makeup artist from Los Angeles. Welcome to the online course, Photography for PMU artists and beauty professionals. In this course, we're going to be learning how to take beautiful pictures for your social media. We all know that we have to wear different hats as business owners these days. Not that only you have to be a good permanent makeup artist or a beauty professional, we also have to be good photographers and wear many different hats in order to have a successful business. I struggled myself when I started permanent makeup business, how to take good pictures. And then I had a light bulb moment. I work as a makeup artist with amazing photographers. So I interviewed them, I got their secrets of how to take good pictures time and time again. In this course, I will be interviewing Brooke Mason. She's a celebrity photographer. She will be sharing with us her tips and tricks and all her secrets of how to take amazing photos. She's going to be talking about the importance of the angle where you take the picture. What kind of light system do we need to have? What kind of props do we need to have in order to have a good picture? And how to make your client feel comfortable so they can give you a good picture so you can share it with others. Also, I will be having a video of how I prep my client after I do permanent makeup and how I do makeup for them. So the pictures looks very transformative. And then we will be sharing different apps that I use in order to put the picture together or to fix the picture if it needs to be fixed according to the light or maybe some of the blemishes that we need to fix in the picture. I'm so excited to share this course with you. Let me know if you have any questions and let's get started.